get ready for another day of work. We're going to clean the floors and get them ready for the wax that we're going to put on hopefully next week. We're going to try out these new drill brushes that we got.
Drill brushes.
Last weekend we tried out this method of using the brushes. I think she scrubbed the wood, then brushed it, and then wiped it down again, and it turned out really good. There's like a clear line where things are clean and things are not. So I think it was really good, but we're gonna try out these scouring pads as well and see how those work. As we're looking around and getting ready to clean up, we're noticing that there are no more spiders here. Like the lime paint seems to have completely discouraged all of the spiders. Like we used to have to vacuum every week up in here for like little cobwebs, like little lazy spiders, but they're all gone. Like there isn't a single one that we can find anywhere. All right, I'm going in. God, I feel like Bruce Willis in Die Hard.
So you wet your rag, you get a damp rag, you wipe the floorboard, you use the drill, you go over it. It basically is just like loosening up all the dirt. You can see the dirt here. And then you wipe it all off. So like then this stuff will come off. And then it'll get clean.
And the stuff in the bucket?
Castile Soap, peppermint Castile Soap, and water, that's it.
Yeah, we used to have the kitchen, it's over here, was once right here, and it got kind of wet at one point. I think got a little bit moldy. That's all gone, it's all up. That's cool. I think it's pretty cool that we're working on this. We're actually working on this project right now. At one point, this was something we were doing way in the future, so far that we couldn't even see it because we couldn't get past having to do all the plaster upstairs and all the painting upstairs, just getting the upstairs done. So it's just kind of cool that we're finally here. That's neat. And we've got a manure siding. Oh yeah. All right, here's what this poopy plank looked like before. Gotta get that off, I guess. Yeah, there you go. More poop. Oh. Manure wall. The wall of my dreams. Manure.
Manure.
And here's after.
Whoa.
And after. That looks amazing. All right, this was today. Got all the way under the stairs. I did the log wall over there and the other side of this BARNWOOD wall. It's basically like one kind of mohawk of filthiness right down the middle of the room, and everything else is clean. But this is the part that Christina did. She did awesome. It looks so clean compared to before. We should get this part finished this weekend, and we should be on track to get the wax on next weekend and be set for Christmas.
We're gonna finish cleaning the floor. Yay!
Yeah. Next week when we come up, the very first day, we're gonna go through and hit all of these little, let me see if I can find one, like that right there. We're gonna hit those with some Oxalic Acid. We'll let that sit in for 30 minutes and then wipe it off. We'll let it dry, and as it's drying, we'll start waxing the stuff that we didn't have to apply that to. And then we should be able to finish everything next weekend. So fingers crossed. All right, we are back. And that mohawk of filthiness is gone. These look really good. Very happy.
Hope it works. Ooh, I see bubbling. What do you think?
That'll work.
I think there was some up here that came off, but the rest of it didn't. Round 2, it lightened slightly, so we're gonna do it again. This time we'll do the whole rectangle. It didn't do anything.
The oxalic acid experiment has been a little bit uneven. We've had some spots just come right up, other spots look like they need another application. And in some of the spots, the application created like a faint outline around the stain, like where the wood is a little bit lighter, a little bit more bleached. To try to deal with that, we're going to take some advice and try to paint the entire board with some of the oxalic acid and see how that goes. All right, there it is. I'm gonna let that sit for 30 minutes and we'll go ahead and scrub it off. This is the second wipe down. So we wiped it down. How much baking soda do you have in that water?
Probably just like a tablespoon.
So baking soda mixed in to neutralize the acid, and this is the second rinse. You can see how dirty that bucket is. And this plank was scrubbed hard, so it's crazy how much stuff is still coming up.
Yeah. Good thing we're doing this in the bathroom. Hey guys, so we're going to finish the floors now by using linseed oil wax. So this is the Viking linseed oil wax that we had tested over the summer. We had also tested just raw linseed oil. We tested a different type of wax, a microcrystalline wax that we also have, and then we also tested hemp oil. So we like this one the best. We're going to use this one. It is the same product we use upstairs in the loft, only the one in the loft is tinted with white, and this is just clear. So this is Viking linseed oil wax that's been purified. We put it on with microfiber cloths, and then we got this little buffer guy that has like a microfiber little buffer. We had to buff by hand last time. It took a lot of time, so we're hoping that if we can use the buffer after we put on the wax, that it will be faster. So we're gonna try that. Much nicer than when we use the other wax, the white pigmented wax. I feel like this is creamier, or like the wood is less resistant. Less dry? More dry? I don't know. Ready for buffer? We've never tried this before. I'm excited. Whee! Oh, that was much easier.
I feel like it did versus going by hand.
So much better. That's great.
This was a good idea. Edging this with a paintbrush.
Mm-hmm.
It's working out really good.
Yeah, this one's super soft, so it's easy to do.
It is the next day, and we're looking good. And it's soaking in nicely. Got this little test corner over here. This little line of poop that we missed last time, we're gonna catch that up. And then hopefully we'll be able to finish the rest of this room, make it look like that.
Did you see my robot?
No.
Do you want to?
Yeah.
No, yeah.
All right, last day. Of course, couldn't get it done yesterday because we always think we can do things faster than we can. But today I think we'll get it done. Just got this little dry patch here. Run through there, everything else is done. Hey, you.
Yeah.
Quit making such a mess. And then there was white fluff everywhere.
It's because it's fake. It's fake sheep, not real sheep.
Fake wool sheep things.
When we were using this buffer, it came with a microfiber cloth, but it was really not very good. And then we got an extra couple of microfiber cloth covers, and then those are much better. So the areas where like the fake wool cover is picking up a lot of fuzz is where like the cheap microfiber cloth didn't work.
So I guess the moral of the story is that quality matters. With the cloth on your buffer, definitely get the replacement stuff and don't use the stuff they sent with it.
Ours isn't not very good.
It's just, it's leaving stuff behind and it just wasn't doing a very good job. There's tacky, sticky stuff left over where we use the factory stuff, and there is none where we use the good stuff.
Nothing. Here we go. Last little bit of the floor is getting wax on it. Ooh.
All those spots that we treated before with the Oxalic Acid all turned out pretty good.
Yeah, I think they turned out fine.
Ready?
There it is.
Voila.
Wow. All done. Woo.
All right, this is what the floor looked like on Friday. This is the before. And now we're all done. And this is what it looks like now. It's pretty crazy. Before, after. Just like that.
So we're back after 5 days, and we are going to show you what the floor looks like now. Come on, let's take a look. So this is 5 days of letting it just sit, the linseed oil wax, and it's completely dry, completely smooth, feels nicely conditioned.
I thought it might lighten up a little bit more, but I think this is about the color that we're gonna have, which is awesome. And yeah.
Turned out great.
So that's it. That's our floor project. We are finished. The floor is finished, and now it's time to move some stuff in. Thank you everybody for joining us for our floor journey. Please give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching.